welcome back to The Comfort Code. And this is our episode 2. Guess who we have here? My favorite, the person who I know since 2023 and helped me a lot. That is Yashu Sharma. She was my faculty when I was in second year, and since then I know her. She has given me so many insights over business, personal life, and everything. And since then, I took a decision that I have to have a startup. And she knows everything since from what I started and what I have now. So I think you should hear it from her. Okay, so yes, ma'am, please.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this podcast started by Janvi. I'm so proud of her that she's starting this. And yes, I have not taught her much as a faculty, but I've been interacting with her since the time she's been working in her own startup, and now this is a new venture. Wishing you all the best, Janvi.
Thank you
and
so
thank you
much.
for having me here. Yes, I'm a visiting faculty and a mother, a wife, staying with my family members here, and I also run 2 ventures in a baby stage right now, which is Neowise Business Solutions, wherein I provide training, corporate trainings and HR solutions to corporate, and also I do social on a social cause. I run Crafters Yarn Inspire, wherein I teach children and I give them talks or I give them classes on public speaking, communication skills, and also do various events for women across Goa. I'm planning to reach out of Goa now. That's what is my vision.
You will, for sure.
Thank
And
you.
we are there with you.
Thank you so much.
I mean, yes, we have seen her event physically. Like I was there in 1 or 2 of her events, and women who are involved in this event are amazing. I mean, there are housewives, there are different personalities of women, there are different business personalities also involved there, and they have so much of confidence in themselves, and it's really inspiring because I feel this kind of events get them out,
Right.
get real women out. Even it's amazing that women being a housewife, having something at her home, she does something from it, and it's awesome. I mean, and thanks to you, there are this events for kids also where there are workshops during Diwali, Christmas, any occasion, or even summer vacations. There are camps which ma'am take, and yeah, I guess I'll give the information about events also, so the people who are watching, they can also enroll and get insights. I mean, this is a really good thing. If someone is doing something, you should obviously try to be with them, especially women's grow with women,
Correct.
right?
That's
So
absolutely
so ma'am, tell me something about your journey from your education level till now, like, and involve everything in it, like your personal life, your professional life, how you're tackling with it, and how is everything going? How is everything going?
With God's grace, my life is wonderful, and I'm so blessed with people around me. I've done my schooling here. I am a student from KV1. Then I continued to study in 11th, 12th in Bihar, and from there I'm a science student. And most of my students know this, that I switched from science to, I always wanted to become doctor, then I wanted to get into biotechnology and then microbiology and then come into BBA without knowing why BBA was there. And thanks to BBA, because I learned to speak, I was absolutely having zero confidence in talking. My English was pathetic, and BBA taught me how to communicate. And yes, while I was in second year of my BBA, I started working, and from that's where I got the habit of not sitting at one place. Until date, I'm always on the move. So from second year onwards, I've been working. I was first associated with SmartLink. That was my first job there, and I was doing part-time there when I was in second year BBA. I did my project with them in TY, and then I gave 1 year break and went on to do my MBA for the studies, thinking that okay, I may get some better opportunities. And I was quite clear that I want to get into HR.
Okay.
So I went ahead to do my MBA, and my first job was in Mercedes
Wow.
as an HR executive. And then
Okay.
I worked around for 13 to 14 years in different industries. So first I was in automobile, then I went on to IT, and since 2020, I always wanted to become a professor. And my dream came true when the COVID hit, when everybody was losing jobs. I was the one who got that opportunity. I used to give interviews every day, every year, sorry.
Mhm.
And that was for every college, but I could not get through. 2020 hit and online classes started, and I got an opportunity to teach students, which was the biggest achievement for me. And because of COVID, I had to leave the job that I was doing, and from there till late.
I guess we had online classes also
Yes,
with you.
yes.
Yeah.
So we had come. I have taught you just for that year online classes,
yes.
and
Yes.
that's how I know your batch.
Mhm.
Otherwise, I've not taught the shipping and students,
Yes.
but yes, I'm associated with BBA students and associated with her since
Yes.
2020.
So we used to have that collab classes
Yes.
with BBA and BBA Shipping and Logistics. So BBA basically is bachelor's in business administration.
Yes.
Okay. So and then BBA with shipping and logistics combined.
So I was taking a combined class.
Yes.
Yeah. So that was my very first interaction with your
Yes.
And today I teach. I started with MES College, and then I moved on to. I got an opportunity from Tempo, from Kujira, and then I'm also teaching in ASBS, which is an MBA college. There
Mhm.
I'm teaching them. I taught them in the previous semester, and also now associated with Damodar's in Margao. So I'm all around the place. I'm also teaching public speaking, communication skills to school. I used to teach in St Andrews. I took classes in Navy Children's School as well as in DPR School, and I also run an academy wherein I teach children how to speak and how to speak confidently in my own academy, which is called Inspire. It's a vertical of Neowise and Crafters Yard to develop foundation for kids, because during my school I had trouble in talking in English. I have been bullied. I have been faced, judged because I could not speak properly. I had no confidence to face people. So I don't want any kid to go through that. I'm also running, by the way, an anti-bullying campaign free of cost for St Andrews ICSE, and my vision is to reach out to most of the schools to run this campaign, and it is a practical based campaign
Okay.
wherein I want the practical activities to be included, not only posters and drawing competitions on anti-bullying, but also doing proper activities with every class to eradicate bullying in schools. Because being a victim of bullying, I know how it is, and hopefully I'll be able to reach out to many other schools to give this particular campaign a success. Yes, so
Okay.
that's about me, and I have a family. I have a child. He's 8 years old. I stay with my in-laws, my loving husband. He's working from Pune and also comes working from Goa as well, sometimes from home. And I have my dad and my sister in my
Yes.
family. So blessed to have a family. I'm born in Lucknow, brought up in Goa, married to a Keralite, Catholic,
Oh.
a mix of, so I will not call myself a Goan or a North Indian or a South Indian. I'll just call myself an Indian because I'm a mix of everything. So I'm a blend of everything and taking it well. With God's grace, everything is good so far, and hope things go good.
Okay, so now we know that ma'am is not only with all the mixtures in personal life but also in professional life, automobile, IT, professor, businesswoman, even if it's on baby stage, but you're an entrepreneur. So she has explored, I guess, everything till now. Other than this, I would like to know, okay, that what was your family's role in your whole journey, and who was your biggest supporter?
Family's role is very, very important, I would say, Janvi, because it becomes a vital part of starting something which you never thought you would start, right? And my husband, my father, my sister, biggest support for me to tell me, yes, you can do it, करना है, कर लो, ज़्यादा सोचो मत. And yes, my in-laws, because without their support, I would not be here at all. You know, having that support is so important for a woman, that without them we feel that somewhere they're required to support us back end, and also to tell us that yes, you can do it and we are there for you, right? So the supporting from my family has been very, very strong, whether it is financially. Sometimes my husband tells me, you want something to do, you're even let me know. And apart from that, a support to take care of my kid, to be there whenever I'm doing any event, to be there whenever I'm doing something, when I'm going to college or when I'm start doing my classes over here for kids. At every step, family support is so important. And yes, husband's support is very, very there, because a lot is there, because whenever I go through any kind of demotivation or any kind of place wherein I shut off myself, he's there to tell me, to guide me, and he is my biggest, what do you say, advisor. He comes with all kind of logical things to come and say, okay, you like doing it, no? So just do it, okay, and that's enough. Okay.
Yes.
Apart from that, my teachers who have given me the opportunity to, be a professor, to teach, because I think my ultimate motive is to reach out to people and to inspire. Probably I'm doing it through teaching, and also through, doing these events, doing various shows for kids and for adults is something that is making me fulfill that. And also the people who have supported me during this entire journey is all the women who are there in part of my life, and all those who have taken part, my students especially, you, Gayatri, all those who have come forward and volunteered to help me to do every event successfully. It would have been impossible without my students. Yeah. Impossible without you, impossible without those students who came, ma'am, we want to do this event with you. And we will do it wholeheartedly with you. Just give us a certificate, or just give us, just be with us and just teach us what you do and how you do it. And that has what has pushed me to do these things. And today I have support like Rati. She is always there. Anything I do, even though I feel like giving up, no, she just tells me, Yashu, don't give it up. Don't give up. You still give it 6 months. Yeah, koi bhi business jaldi nahi chalta. These kind of women you need, this kind of family you need to support you.
Yes.
And whoever has taken part in my events, they all come and tell me, Yashu, they just come and tell me one time, no, Yashu, you're doing a superb job. That's enough, I would say.
Enough
That's
motivation.
enough.
Yes.
It just boosts me up, and I'm like, I will do it better next time. And that's what is important for me.
True.
And it's important for every woman, and that's what we need to hear. हमको सिर्फ एक push चाहिए किसी से सुनने में कि you can do it. You are doing it, Yashu, you are doing it well, and that is what I feel is the biggest motivation for me, and I think it is for everyone, right?
Yes,
Even
yes,
you will
for
agree.
sure, for
Yes.
sure. I mean, one more thing I would like to share. I think the students which helped you in the event, उनका कुछ ना कुछ startup है,
Yes.
कुछ ना कुछ है, and I guess that inspiration has come from here only.
Oh my God, that's
For
such an
me,
honor.
there is one more girl who has a bakery. Then there is Gayatri also who has her own startup. So I guess everyone is motivated through her and because of her. So all thanks to you only.
Thank you so much. It's such an honor to hear this from your
Yes.
students only, and it is so good to see the other side.
Yes.
You're going to be motivating so many people who are going to sit here and
Yes.
talk to you and
Yes.
make this as a better platform for people to come up more
Yeah.
and speak more.
And in fact, I want common people also to come here. Not only the one who are famous, and there are some people who come for fame also.
Right.
And that's okay. We are here to give that only. So I'm very much fine. I would like you all also to join us. Even if you're a housewife, please come and share your hard work.
Because this is what is needed.
Yes.
We need to be heard and we need to be motivated.
Yes.
And this platform is something that will motivate you to speak up. I was very glad when she told me that she was glad to have me, and I was once when I said okay, I wouldn't mind, and this is what you need, right?
True.
For our push and for their push also.
Yes.
So let's work together, and collaborative is something which makes
True.
business successful. Right?
Yes, growing together.
Growing together.
Yes. Okay, so ma'am, I would also like to hear from you that there are some girls out there, or women we could say, who are not trying to take decision, or they are not able to take decision over job or business, family or business. I mean, there are some families who don't support for business. They are like, go for job, earn settled money, fixed income rakho monthly, risk mat lo. So what would you suggest them? I mean, what would your insights be on it?
See, this is a very good question, I would say, and probably I'm also into this kind of a situation as of now. Because I was working since second year of BBA, as I said. I was so used to having a set income that today when I started my business or when I started my own venture, it's not easy. When you get used to static income or a set income, it is very difficult. You have your pocket money, you have your everything that you can spend,
Yes.
and now you have to think 10 times. Before I spend somewhere, I need to have something in my hand. That is a risk which is there in business. Of course, family support is very important. Understanding the business is very important. Somewhere many times I have been felt that I may not be a very good business person. I may be good for social work because I love, doing things around. But somewhere I feel it's there in all of us.
Yes.
Until unless you won't give up. And second thing is, yes, you need a set income to have for some years, take some experience, have some income so that you can put that investment in yourself only.
Yes.
Save and do that investment for yourself to start something new, and have that as a backup.
Mm-hmm.
And then doing something which is of your liking, which is that something you really need to do.
Yes.
And then you can, once you know that okay, you are making something from this business, you can start moving away a little,
Yes.
and then get full-fledged into this.
True.
Because somewhere, yes, income is needed,
Mm-hmm.
and somewhere you would require that help to understand the business, understand the market, understand what kind of investment you're doing. If it's a small thing, if you're something which doesn't require investment, you don't need to do much. But something which you need a big investment, you start with income, and then you can do
Yeah.
it if you have an opportunity.
Correct.
But if you're directly getting an opportunity of being a business person, go ahead and do it. There
Yes.
is no stopping.
So earn, and what you're earning, put that money only in business. So you can work both ways. To be honest, I'm doing the same thing. I'm working as well as looking after my startup. I have a great partner who is supporting me. So I think
That's very important.
yes, your partner with whom you're working with, or maybe you're not even working with him, but he's there somewhere saying that I'm there for you.
Exactly.
That there for you
Is something which
yes,
is the
is
whole
everything.
thing. Yes.
Other than this, parents obviously want us to, be happy.
Right.
उनको वो घटौती नहीं देखनी.
They will never want to see you struggling.
Yes.
That is the whole point. It's not that they don't want you to do business, or they don't want you
Yes.
to go every day 9 to 6, come back home and tired at 8 o'clock.
Mhm.
No, they want you not to struggle.
Yes.
They want you to have an easy life, and that is how even my father also today tells me, but stop doing this, stop going everywhere. I'll give you 10,000 every month. This is what he tells me. Yeah, this is the truth. He tells me, I'll give you 10,000 rupees every month. You stop going around. Okay, but I said, Papa, please let me do it. And he's like, ठीक है, करो अब तुमको करना ही है तो करो. That is the thing. No, they don't want us to struggle, but at the same time, they want you to even succeed. He comes for every event I'm struggling with.
Yes, true.
He comes to my family, comes for my every event that I'm struggling through. Like so much मेहनत you're doing, क्यों इतना? लेकिन
Same.
but they are there, and that's enough. And I know that they are happy, they are proud. This is what family wants.
Yes.
So family support will be there until they see you that you're doing it smoothly.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes do not show them those struggles.
Yes,
It's
even
better.
even my parents, when I'm doing something continuously, like if I'm doing my startup, I'm continuously sitting on laptop doing something. They then get triggered. They are like, "Why are you doing this? Just go for a job. You're earning fine. Why do you need
Right.
this extra thing?" I keep quiet because I know that this is going to be
Exactly.
shant after some time. Whenever, to be honest, touch wood, whenever I go for business meetings out, उनके मुंह से all the best निकलता ही है.
Exactly.
All the best.
That is the
हो
whole thing.
जाएगा सब ठीक, and you'll be successful.
And somewhere they're proud.
Yes,
That's
and
it.
they are.
They are proud. They are very, very
वो
proud.
भले ही दिखता नहीं हो, but they are proud.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And that I have seen these years. Especially when you struggle the most, that's when you see these
Yes.
whole thing.
Yes.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि struggle नहीं है, struggle आता है और चलते रहेगा.
Yes.
How you move through, you need people around you to support you.
Yes.
And you need family.
Yes.
So just make them believe that you're not struggling much. Even when you're struggling, they need your support. You
Yes.
need their support. They will be happy to support you. Yes.
In fact, one thing I remembered just now, Yash, who is holding the camera, he once, said, I remember that until and unless there is something remaining, like if you're doing something, some business, and if it's not working, that means it has not ended. You have to still work for it.
Absolutely.
Keep on working. I mean, there is no end. You have to work. It's not like, okay, this is ready now. Let's, get settled. There is no settlement in
There
business.
is no support.
You have to work because you don't know. एक बार ऐसे कुछ हो जाए कि पूरा change भी हो सकता है तुम्हारा
Things
business.
can just change in,
Yes.
in a blink of an eye, and
Yeah.
that's the beauty of the business.
Yes.
And that's the beauty of starting something which is going to be so risky. You don't know how successful it could be or whether it will be successful, but it will be
Yeah.
until and unless you have that support. So you said that thing, Yash said that thing is so apt and is so important for all of us to know, because it's not an end.
Yes.
It's maybe a beginning. You're not looking through it.
Mhm.
You're not looking through what you're supposed to see.
शायद वो complete हुआ नहीं है.
Exactly.
If कुछ
It still has
yeah.
purpose.
तो वो करते रहना. There is no stop basically.
There's no stop.
And to do a business, you obviously need guts.
You need guts. You need
That's the most important thing, because every risk लेना is not a joke. ऐसे ही कोई उठ के risk नहीं लेते हैं.
और
But-
अगर फेल भी हो गया, it's okay. You
हाँ,
at least did it.
yes.
You should never regret.
Exactly.
You'll be like, I tried it. It didn't work out. It's absolutely fine.
You have
But
many more
make it.
options
Many
out
more
there.
options.
The
If you
life.
start one business, you can start
Yes.
another business as well. See
Yes.
Ratan Tata.
Yeah.
He didn't stop.
Oh, I swear.
So yes, there is no stopping to it.
Yes.
Something doesn't work out, there is always an option.
Options, yeah. There are a lot of
Ideas
options
can
in
just
market.
spark.
Yes. Something will click और वो उड़ जाएगा.
Yes.
So this insight was, I mean, such a amazing, interesting conversation. You know, I love having this kind of conversations. To be honest.
I also was very honored to have to be here and
Yes.
also to talk so much. I spoke so much. I keep asking other people a lot of insights, but today I got to speak. I'm so happy about this. I rarely get these opportunities. So
Yes.
thank you, Janvi, and thank
Yes.
you for this platform. You know, for letting me speak so freely.
Yes.
And wishing you all the success
Yes. Thank you so
in this
much.
podcast.
Thank you so much.
And I would like everyone to subscribe to this channel
Yes.
and come forward and reach out to her
Yeah.
so that you can also speak and she can bring your love.
Yes. Join us.
to
You
her
know,
platform.
even if you have no startup, you don't have any business, nothing, does not matter. Just come up and speak.
Yes.
Just speak.
That's what matters.
Yes. Okay. So it was really great having Yashu ma'am here, and yes, she has been my inspiration since I met her. Still, she is, and she will be. मेरा जब startup का plan हुआ, when I had an idea here, सिर्फ दिमाग में, I went to her. I was like, ma'am, I have this thing. कैसे लाऊं बाहर, क्या करूं? And she helped me out, and she was like, you can think a lot, and there are too many opportunities. And now I think उस business के अलावा I have a lot more to do, and I am exploring more with my partner Yash. I guess we are doing good, and having this kind of people and humans in life is so important that you don't need someone to tell you that, oh, this won't work. I feel this is not gonna work. ये सिर्फ थोड़े दिन की चांदनी है. There are some people who say that this is just for some days and then it's gonna be shut down. But no, it won't, because you have people around you who will keep on motivating you, especially your family and someone like ma'am. They will keep on helping you. They will keep on. In fact, एक कॉल में अगर बोला कि मैम मुझे पॉडकास्ट करना है आपके साथ, या फिर मैसेज पे, मैम प्लीज आई वांट टू हैव यू एज माय गेस्ट, एंड शी वाज क्विकली लाइक, यस, we can do it, we will do it. So this kind of approaches are really thankful and grateful. So I'm really glad to have you here.
Thank you so much, Janvi, for having me here. And I was really honored because this kind of platform everyone look forward to, and I request everyone to come forward and speak. And I'll be very thankful because I rarely get to speak like this, and I spoke my heart out today. Yes. So thank you so much, and I wish you so much of success.
Thank you.
And I hope that you come up with a lot of ventures like this and be success in it.
Yes,
Yeah, be
thank you so
successful in
much.
it along with your partner. Wishing you all the best.
Yes.
And thank you so much for having
Yes.
me here.
And we'll take a moment, okay, to show you how my partner is sitting to support me. So,
This is beautiful. Yes.
so here is, he was just holding the camera, and yes, you can hold it back.
And this is the kind of support we need,
Yes.
especially women.
Yes.
Women की success में men का बहुत हाथ होता है.
They say man के success के पीछे women
Women.
होती है, but it's vice versa.
It's both. It's both.
True.
It's both ways, and wishing you both the success.
Yes. Thank you so
And
much.
thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please do like, share and subscribe. Share करना है करो और रहने दो, but subscribe और like जरूर करना.
Yes.
And please give us comments also. Whoever wants to join here can also comment and say that I want to come, and maybe I'll share my Insta ID. You can DM me. Okay. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting us. We'll have more guests, okay, who will give us insights like the way ma'am gave, and it's going to be very fruitful for us. So let's grow together.
Yes.
Mhm.
And please reach out to her. It's a very
Yes.
good initiative. And
It's free of cost.
yes, there's no charges, and they're doing it such a great job. I mean, this is not easy, and coming like this, do like, subscribe, support her, and
Yes.
support the team who are putting so much of efforts. You could see just now.
Yes.
And
We
come
missed
on.
tripod today. We
Yes.
just didn't have it, so
So this is
Yes.
it, and you will definitely enjoy the session.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.